Did you blow a seal? Oh, well.
No, actually, I'm a dolphin.
Yeah, okay, flip
No,
it.
actually, it was a little bit of ice cream.
Ew.
So, we have our factory original one.
Yeah, I had to beat that off yesterday, as you know.
On camera, even.
Yeah.
Shit. There goes his OnlyFans page. It's going to blow up.
That's probably coming because I need money. Well, I don't need
Daddy
money.
needs new shoes. Look at them shoes. They're scalloped. They're rough. I hate them.
They're fine.
They've just got to be changed. That's it.
They're fine. They're good for another year.
Sure they are.
At least 6 more months.
I would have thrown them out a long time ago, but...
Oh, no. Now they're comfy and broken in.
Yeah, that's what I said about these. Now they're hurting my feet and I need to throw them out.
Well, those are like $9 Walmart specials.
No, I spent 10.
Okay, close enough. So...
I'm learned the lesson the hard way. One too many times, I'm buying good shoes.
Yeah.
That's our PSA. Good shoes for work. You've got to be able to spend the money to make your feet not hurt.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
back to work.
I went seal searching. Napa actually had something we needed. Shocking. Well, it's not shocking. It's just, it wasn't $1 million either.
Yeah, exactly.
But
We have...
it's the correct diameter. It's got...
Yeah, and it
Or is
doesn't need to go in as far.
Well, where the OE one had rubber and felt.
Yep.
This has the actual rubber, and then it has the little Jimmy hat, so to speak.
Which means, hold on,
You gotta lube it a little bit. If you love her luber.
which we explained in our video earlier today.
Oh, you did video already, I forgot.
At 10 to 7 this morning.
Jesus Christ.
There. Where did I put it?
The shaft?
John, I've got to find your long black hard thing.
What did you do with this drive shaft? I just saw it. Oh my god.
How the hell do you lose something that big?
Well,
Bum.
I heard it's a pretty deep throat around here.
Well, you know, hey.
Anyway, let's put the seal in. I'll gather it up. I bet you it's back there. I'll gather it up. Let's get the seal in. Yeah, put it on. Stick it in, big boy.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Yeah, we actually found it. What I did last night was I sat there and chased part numbers and cross-referenced stuff. And when I walked into Napa, I gave the guy the part number and I showed him my other one. And he's like, how'd you find that number? And I'm just like, the internet's a pain in the dick, but we can find you a socket to bang that in right. Because we ain't getting another one of those. You know that, right? I'm trying to watch you bang the seal. That thing was a fucking pain in the ass to get out.
Yeah, we needed something.
Yeah, go get a big socket. But look. What?
Look what you left.
Yeah, I know. But go get a big seal.
Go get a big seal.
I mean,
have a big
socket.
seal.
That's a small seal. Go get a big socket.
Yes, dear.